for Khaleesi. It's to shine a light on how many, and it's not just dogs, but how many of our animals are abused on our island, and it needs to stop. What happened to her got a lot of attention because it was a level of cruelty I don't think any of us had ever seen, and that's what social media does. We see that kind of stuff almost on a daily basis, and it's not okay. We have a beautiful island. It's one happy island for us, but it should be one happy island for our animals and for our kids as well.
Thankful for everybody that showed up, and I really do hope that everybody looks in its own neighborhood. If you see a new female walking around, please warn somebody, grab it, have it spayed. As long as it's on the street, it's nobody's, so you can do that. If you see things happening in your neighborhood, never fight your neighbor, but make sure that the news comes where it needs to be, and then somebody else can go to that house. We need everybody to look around and to help us solve this.
I think Khaleesi touched everyone's heart, and it brought us as an island, it brought us together. And together is how we can bring the difference that our island needs. In her name, in her memory, as of now, it should stop. I'm not going to criticize our government because they promised us that change will come with the law. Seeing is believing, but it's in their lap to make it happen, to make the laws, to adapt them in such a way, not just for the dogs, for all our animals, to make it right for them so that this never happens again.
Ik vind het indrukwekkend, want ik ben wel demonstraties gewend, zowel op Curaçao waar ik woon als op Aruba. En ja, demonstreren is niet ons ding. Hè? Het heeft vaak ook gevolgen als je demonstreert op de eilanden. En als je dan ziet hoeveel mensen nu hebben meegelopen, ik vond het overweldigend. En een heel goed signaal naar de overheid, naar andere mensen, dat er iets moet gebeuren met het enorm spijtige fenomeen van dierenmishandeling. Niet alleen op Aruba, ook op Bonaire en Curaçao.